So this is the Jenkins dashboard. After installing Jenkins, you will see this dashboard. So now today we'll learn about plugins, how we'll manage the plugins. Okay, so for that you have to go to manage plugins. So click there, then in that click on plugins. Then here you can see various things. Here you have install plugins. These are the plugins that is installed, already installed. And here you have got available plugin. So this available plugin page list all the plugins that are available for the installation. And this list can be pretty long. So you can see that it is pretty long. Yeah, it is very long, so you have to make sure to search for specific plugin that we would like to install. So and also, and you can we can start we can install and start using most plugin immediately by clicking on this checkbox adjacent to the plugin, right? This click box, then clicking install here without restarting. But it is recommended that we should always restart Jenkins controller after installing new plugins by clicking on the here let's do this here install after restart, right? After clicking on this button. But now after application restarts, it will ensure that all components are properly initialized. So here what we can do is we can go here, then simply let's just do this one. Okay, for now Java Mail API. Okay, then here simply click on install and restart, and you can see this here given this check internet connectivity, and these things are given. This is downloaded successfully. So here you got two options. First one is go back to the top page, and second is restart Jenkins when installation is complete. So we have to click on this. Okay, click on this. So it will say your browser automatically reload automatically when Jenkins is ready. So we will wait for a bit because it is restarting. Our Jenkins is restarting. So one important thing in plugin is that it is an open source. So an open source community can contribute to the plugins, and we need to ensure that the plugins are reliable, and we it is recommended that we check the user status of the plugin on the plugin site prior to the installing it. So this way, and it helped rule out potential bugs that may affect the Jenkins instance. Okay, so here you have got these things after installing. Here these are the sorry. Here we have installed Java Mail, right? So let's see whether it is installed or not. Java Mail API. So you can see that it is installed successfully. So that's how we will install our plugins in Jenkins. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you learn how to install plugins in Jenkins. So yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.